slid.
Slid
Camber Castle. We come here every year.
There's that fire there.
Oh yeah. Hello, mate. All right. You don't want to know much. Probably scared of your nose.
Yeah, that one mocking me.
Don't blame it.
They're just all coming into roost.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool to see though, isn't it?
Yeah. I feel like the starling murmuration. Just one of the nightly thing, isn't it? They migrate. Yeah, it's called the night.
Oh, this is a nature reserve, isn't it?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah. There's bird hides over there. That's what's going on. It's pretty cool to see it though, isn't it?
Sound like crazy.
I don't think I got the video out quick enough, but there was hundreds of them.
Alfred Hitchcock.
The birds.
The birds.
I was zooming right in on your face. Right, this is where we're going to pitch. Come and show them, Bush.
Here's our fire. Fire pile 1. Fire pile 2 is behind that bush. Fire pile 3 is in the furthest bush.
Yeah, we've got a few backups.
Come on, Here is our pitch spot. Here is our food and drink.
Yeah.
Just keeping it out of the sun at the moment.
It is warm still, but in the shade, it is keeping it quite cool, isn't it? This is the 3rd time we've been here. It was the 2nd camp we ever done, ever.
You'll probably hear that on the 2nd camp here video.
Yeah. and we've only done it in the summer, but we come here every year.
One year when we do it, we will have a drone and we'll fly over.
Oh yeah, yeah. We were talking about it last time, weren't we?
Well, every time. Yeah.
See that dragonfly, mate?
Probably a southern hawker.
Yeah. So this is Camber Castle, which is in Winchelsea Beach area. I don't know why it's called Camber Castle. No.
Nowhere near Camber, to be honest.
Sun. We ain't got long with the sun, geese. Anyway, we'll bring you back when it's a bit darker and we like this.
I'm a bit more licked. Birds.
Very observant, Bush.
Probably just all attracted to me. Do have the effect on birds.
Yeah.
Usually the ones without wings, but
Well, I've known
any
you
are
for about
welcome.
8 years and I've never noticed it.
You haven't known me 8 years.
Well, about that.
I haven't even been angry in 8 years.
Alright, well, how
So
long
you
then?
never start lying to me like that.
Hold on, there's loads here. Can't get them all.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I am, but... Oh no, you fucked it, Bush.
Yeah.
I can't hold it still enough, it's going to be giving everyone a headache. Whoa. Oh, look down there. Well done, mate. I don't remember this last time, or either of the times we've been here before, do you?
Yeah, that's mental.
They seem to be landing now, don't they? There's thousands of them.
They are closed.
No, they
Yeah,
can't.
I can hear them.
They don't hang around in such numbers, do they? Eh? Someone over there. Oh no, it's birds. I thought someone chatting. Sounded like...
They're jackdaws.
Oh no.
Yeah.
That is a crow, isn't it?
Yeah, it's part of the crow family. What?
I said it could come back into the cannon, so it didn't work though, did it?
It's light and bit.
Didn't work at all, Miss. Well done.
God, you're a horrible little cannon, you're
Oh, charming.
Whoa! Is that a video?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm glad of that.
So we are responsible campers.
There we go.
We actually are, to be fair. It's just looks a bit of a wally. Have a look.
Hello, welcome back to Pitch Up. We're now just setting up the fire. It's been going for about an hour now. Just wanted to make sure it was steady and going.
You're nowhere near it.
It's stinging that as well, I'm here.
No, you're not. It went right over there, Mush.
No, it didn't. It went down here.
No, it didn't. I watched it.
Mate, it went down there.
No, it didn't. It did not. Well, it didn't.
We'll find it at the winter camp. Obviously, Tom's just booted my brand new deodorant. I only got it today. Limited edition. Gold edition, actually, that one.
You do know that it was on camera.
I don't care. Whatever you want to make up to it. I hope these explode in the night into your tent. Like bullets. For that. I can't believe you've done that. Bit cunning, really, if you had no shot. Well, anyway, we'll move on. Good thing I had another one and they're for free, so. Any type of apology coming, or? So welcome back to our third trip at Camber. As you
can't see it,
it's
they
pitch
can't.
black.
Yeah.
We've got the fire going. We've actually had the best fire we've had here. We don't really know why, but everything seems to be dry, dead, broken up already. We've got it going. We've got a few stones around it. Actually quite a lot. I went over there and Tom was standing here behind the tents where there's deposits of stones in there.
I was getting the big ones.
You was getting the big ones, I was getting loads of little ones. We've built up a nice boundary around the fire. It's actually quite hot on my legs.
Yeah, same.
Hot on my legs.
Yeah, no.
As you can see, my legs are quite brown. And also burning now through the heat. We've got a little log pile here. Just for a backup bit of heat. But I don't think we're actually going to sit here and... usually on a camp, we'll be sitting here cutting into us going looking for a wood, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
But this time I don't think we will.
No, we don't need any more.
We've ended up getting a couple of piles of wood.
It's burning really nice,
And
but it's so dry.
dry.
You can't see, it's a shame. But you can actually see the outline of the castle.
But Tom thinks they've made it just through like a bit of sand and someone with like Play-Doh.
Shut up, mate. Fuck's sake. You just trod on my bare foot.
I swear it spat at my tent.
Good.
I had to go banging with my tent.
Heading off. Good night, Mish.
Yeah, mate. Looked out under the stars. Didn't even get on our tent. Yeah.
Yeah, nice one.